Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox not available. To know how to fix or to solve Roblox not available, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to Roblox and you will click here. Then in this list you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. And when you will end you can of course turn on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.